Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's classes for IGCSE, GCSE as an A-level student, and here if you want to refer past year papers, then you can go here IGCSE, then past year paper column is there. Even we are gonna adding all the past year papers, fine. So here, let's say for mathematics, and if you can see here all the papers are there, May, June, October, November. And here interesting thing is that if you open this paper, any paper for that matter, and if you want to check even mark scheme, then you need to close the paper, then open the mark scheme, but not necessary. Here you have both the mark scheme as well as question paper opened simultaneously, and you can check so your answers as well. Here, let's say question number 4, you have a question number 4 answers on the right hand side part as well here. Yeah, so you can move slide up and down every other time for to check the answers, your marks, and so on and so forth. And this is for all the papers to open the two papers side by side. That's it. Enjoy the studying.